But you have to find, you have to take the first step that when you hear, oh, you know you got cancer, say, I refuse to hear that. You have to take the first step, and when someone says, you know, your marriage is not going to work, you say, talk for yourself. Talk for yourself. You have to be strong enough to protect the wells of life. The wells of life are your ears. You know that in the old days, they used to protect the wells? Because if you poison the water, you will kill the whole village. Your wells are your ears. Are your ears. That's what you think. What you hear, the programs that you have from your childhood, how you make money, how you deal with relationship, how you deal with yourself, with your health, it's all programmed for what you heard in the past. You start to process it, you start to believe it, and eventually falls into your heart. And when it goes into your heart, it becomes a belief. And when it becomes a belief, that's what you get. Yes or yes? Now, it's important to understand something. That whatever you are in your life, I don't care how many times you screwed up. Personally, I screwed up many times. I don't care how old are you. You're here to listen one word, and I'm going to give you the blueprint, but to hear one thing. You're here to hear one thing. It's time to start again and push. To start again and push. Don't think like a human being. Don't think small. Don't think that you don't have enough money. Don't think that the doctors know more than God. Don't think that you cannot do it. You have to push through. And expect the miracle, the power of expectation. You cannot walking around because you have the chattering in your mind. They tell you, I'm not good enough. I don't have enough degrees. Oh my God, look at me, I'm not tall enough, I'm not short enough, I have this, I have that. You cannot walk around like that expecting the worst can happen in your life. In fact, I tell you one thing, you know many times I see people that they work the whole life to reach some certain level of success, and once they succeed, because they expect to lose their success, they lose it. How many times that happened in your life? That you went to one place, you were so afraid to lose it that you lost it. You lost it because you were expecting it. The first step to miracles, expecting the miracle. How do you build the expectation for the miracle? You have to reprogram your computer. You have to reprogram your mind. You have to reprogram it. And the first thing to understand is that the light works for you, even if it takes a long